Hey, I'm Justin Guthrow. I'm a fifth-year senior at Saginaw Valley State University in Michigan. I'm in International Studies, Spanish and French major here.
My name is Kristen Bishoner. I am a student at Saginaw Valley State University and I'm a French and History major. They were really great. They were really intensive, which was challenging. What was really awesome was there was a bunch of international students from everywhere, so not only did I make friends that were native to France, but I also made friends from all over the world, from Asia, Spain, Germany, India, you name it. I made friends. We would go to all the festivals in the cities, we'd go to the cafes, we even traveled to other cities in France together, as well as we would climb the Bastille and sort of have picnics overlooking the entire city, so there was a lot to do and we enjoyed it.
It's very cool, it's very vibrant, very good atmosphere. Right in the middle of all the mountains, like I looked out my window and I just saw mountains everywhere. Every direction is cool. And you just get into town, it's very, very fun, very lively. There's places to go, places to see, everything you can do, from food to games to parties and festivals is great.
I did. I stayed with the host family. My host mother actually worked for the university, which is actually really nice. She was incredibly helpful, and I had a host sister and a host father, and I felt like a part of the family. And we had dinner every night, and it was just a really cool experience. I really felt like I belonged there. So.